going to put a new winch on my brand new winch on my trailer. That old Harbor Freight winch right there lasted me maybe 2 times, and then it give up the ghost. This one here is brand new. Been in the box. I haven't opened it for at least 3 years. It was sitting in the back of my pickup truck. I've already sold my pickup truck, so I don't even know what condition it's in right now. Box don't look too healthy. It could be all rusted up even. Wow. Brand new, and let's see. Well, been wrapped in plastic, maybe. Oh, there's a lot of ants in it. Oh, let me take care of these suckers here. Wow. Yeah, spray that down, Yuri. Spray it down with some alcohol. That'll make them drunk, and then they won't know where they're going, and no, it'll kill them. Alcohol will kill them.
Roach.
There's a roach too?
Yep.
Wow. Might need a new alcohol container here. Let's go see what I can find. What else do we have up here? We don't have no bug spray. Here, let me see that. You know, I think I have some. I think there's some bug spray in the motorhome in the cabinet. In the cabinet where the safe is at. I think there's some bug spray in there. We'll take care of these suckers. Anyway, looks like the winch is okay. I was worried about it being all rust. Oh, it's rusted in the bottom. Ooh, that don't look good. That don't look good at all. Yeah, it's definitely got some moisture there. Alright, let me go see about some bug spray and we'll get back. Well, I cleaned it up a little bit, sprayed it down with some WD-40, and I wiped it off. The cable's a little bit rusty right here, but I think it'll be alright. It's only looks like it's surface rust. And the bottom of it cleaned up pretty good. I didn't get that one spot right there, but that WD-40 cleaned it up pretty good. Anyway, I tested it out and it works. Can I get you to hold that right there, Yuri? Hold that against that. And I'll show you that you're gonna have to hold it tighter now. Let's see. See? That's in, out. So it works. So we're going to go ahead and get it hooked up here. It's only 2 bolts. Hold that thing on. Yuri's already working on getting that off. We'll cut back when we get more of this done. That one bolt there is pretty hateful because it's right up next to the frame. So we're going to work on getting that off and getting this hooked up. Alright, well, I got it all hooked up, bolted on. It's only 2 bolts holds this thing on, but I put grade 8 bolts in it, and everything works good. It goes both directions. My battery doesn't fit in that little battery tray there, so I'm gonna have to work some other kind of dealio out. May just carry it in the vehicle with me, and then whenever I need to use it, just set it out on the ground or something. But at least I got a winch now. I can winch stuff up here, and that'll be awesome. So yeah, it wasn't much to this video, but if you watched it, thanks for watching. I'll have more videos for you later. I'm glad this thing worked after setting for approximately 3 years. It's a good little worn winch. It should last me for quite a little while. I need to get a load doubler put on it. I don't know. I've got 2 or 3 of them around here. I can't seem to find them right now, but eventually they'll pop up. But until next time, thank you for watching Double Trouble Garage, and you have a good day and blessed life. See ya.